Maglagay ako ng ice dito. Kasi dadalhin ko yan sa work. Doon lang naman ako sa ano. Fish and chips. Ako lang dito mag-isa. Si Kira nasa school na. Si Did nakaalis na. So gusto kong mag-map muna, no? 10 pa lang. Orange juice. Mainit today, 24 degrees ata today. Bukas, mas mainit bukas, 26. Okay. Naglinis na ako dito kanina after mag-breakfast ni Kira. Nagpunas-punas ako dito. Ngayon, mag-vacuum tayo para may magawa tayo bago papasok sa work.
Enjoying this free time in my own special space, relaxing, just being me. Sunlight streaming through the window, reading on a cozy sofa, playing my favorite music, dancing to the rhythm.
Tayo ng pamunas. Alam niyo ba kahapon? Hindi kahapon, ng isang araw ba? Medyo naiyak ako kay Kira ba? Kasi sabi niya, bago siya pumasok sa school ba, sabi niya sa akin, Mom, I know my room is messy, but please don't touch my room. Kasi nga ayaw niyang linisin ko yung kalat niya ba. So sabi niya sa akin, I know it's messy, but can you please just leave all my stuff on the floor? Kasi nga, babalikan niya daw later. Alam niyo ba yung na-learn ko sa sinabi ni Kira? Hindi ako na-annoyed or anything. Basta hindi ako nagalit sa kanya. Actually, ako guys, na happy ako. Kasi alam niyo ba yung na-learn ko sa sinabi niya? Alam niya kung ano yung dapat niyang gawin. I know na mayroon siyang kalat na ginawa. Hindi naman yung kalat. As in, kunti lang naman yung kalat niya. Hindi man kalat yun. Parang, iniwan lang siya sa floor. Pero, hindi talaga siya kalat. So, sabi niya sa akin na. Anyway, yung na-learn ko doon is, alam niya na kailangan niyang linisin yung kalat niya. Kasi alam niya na hindi ako mahahappy kung iwan niya yung kalat niya at ako yung maglilinis. Kaya, yun yung na-happy ako ba na since bata pa si Kira ba, nakikita niya kung ano yung ginagawa ko. Kasi ginagawa niya din sa sarili niya. Kaya yun na ang sabi ko ba sa mga mama na kagaya ko ba, dapat good example talaga tayo na, I mean, I'm not perfect. Nagagalit ako kay Kira, sinisigawan ko si Kira. Like, as in, nagagalit ako sa kanya. Pero yung point ba na, yung kalat niya, linis niya, is naiintindihan niya. It's good na natutunan niya ba yung mga nakikita sa akin ba. May ginagawa yung mga anak natin ba, hayaan nyo lang na maglinis sila or like, di ba si Kira nag-a-arrange siya ng room niya, hinayaan ko lang yan siya. I know hindi yun perfect kasi marami pa rin mga kalat-kalat. Pero yung point ba na ginawa nila yung maglinis is yun yung importante na natutunan nila. So, punta tayo sa kwarto kay mag-vacuum ako doon pati dito sa sala.
I love my family, oh yes I do. They make me smile when I feel blue. Mom and Dad, so kind and true. Sisters, brothers, I love you. We love.
Tapos na tayo doon sa sala. Nag-vacuum na din ako dito sa kwarto. Pero, alam niyo ba kung saan ko to gagamitin? Ginagamit ko to sa carpet. Kasi marami ako dito mga buhok na hindi nakukuha ng vacuum. So, yung ginagawa ko, ginaganito ko siya. Ang daming buhok na nakukuha. Ginaganon ko siya. I know it's too much. Napaka-usi ko na ako sa ganito. Pero ganito talaga yung ginagawa ko. Tapos ang dami talagang buhok na nakukuha. Kasi sayang yung vacuum. Laging na i-empty kung dito ko lang siya ginagamit. So ito yung ginagamit ko. Bina-vacuum ko muna siya. Tapos ganito. As in, ang daming nakukuha. Ito buhok. Ginaganon ko siya. Like, oh. Tingnan nyo yung buhok ko. Hindi kasi siya nakukuha talaga sa vacuum. Balik-balik pa. Kay Kira, wala masyadong mga buhok-buhok doon kasi wala naman siyang mga hairful. Ako lang. Alangan naman si Dib. Wala naman si Dib buhok. Tingnan niyo, oh, grabe yung nakukuha niya, oh. Ew. Okay. Pinabili ko lang talaga to kay Dib dahil lang sa ano, panglinis ko. Everyday ko yan ginagawa pag may time ako. I mean, everyday naman ako nag-hoover. Kaya maganda talaga pag may vacuum ka na, yung bang gina-charge. Kasi madali mo siyang, kunin mo lang siya, mag-vacuum ka lang, di ba? Iba sa yung Henry na, ano mo talaga siya, i-plug ba? Kaya, Shark, baka naman. Hello, Shark. Hello, ano, tawag nito? Dyson. Okay, mag-chill na tayo ay bago tayo papasok. Tanan! Meron talagang ano, sound effect. So, 11:01 na ng umaga. Ako ay pupunta na sa work in about 10-15 minutes. So, hindi na ako mag-vlog doon kasi nag-vlog ako 2 days ago sa work. So, hindi ako mag-vlog doon today. So, I will see you na lang guys after 2. Kasi 2 ako matatapos, diba? I am back mga nearly an hour na. So, mayroon ditong dumating na mail. Actually, mayroon din kay Dave, mayroon din sa akin. So, sabi ko, i-open ko yung akin kasi magkaparehas lang. So, I was thinking na siguro galing sa hospital, mga ganun, sa mga NHS. But, ito yung umuwi kami ng Pilipinas. May penalty kami, guys. Nakakainis kasi, sabi ko kay Dave, nung pagka-uwi namin galing Pilipinas, sabi ko, kala ko ba pwede na nating bayaran yung ano nga, yung pag-absent ni Kira sa school. So, that was only 60 pounds. Sa 2 weeks na absent siya, 60 pounds. So, sabi ni Dave, no, don't worry about it kasi daw yung school is magsisend ng another mail sa amin at doon daw yung link kung saan kami magbabayad. So, tinig for granted lang namin dalawa kasi nga naghintay kami sa school. And so, that time, hindi pa rin ako talaga mapakali. Sabi ko kay Dave, tawagan mo kaya yung school. So, nag-email siya sa school, nag-reply yung school, sabi ng school, after the holiday daw, yun yung magsisend na sila ng mail. Siguro ito yun. Hindi ko alam. Siguro ito yung sinasabi nila. So, ngayon, sabi dito, this notice will give you the opportunity to pay from the offense given above. The amount of the penalty is either 80 pounds /160 pounds in accordance with the information below. If you pay the penalty within the limits set out below, no further action will be taken against you in the connection of the offense as set out in this notice. But anyway, so yun na nga, if payment is made within 21 days, you should pay 80 pounds. So pag after 21 days, it's 160 pounds. So ito talaga yung 80 pounds yung dapat namin bayaran. So kala ko more kasi yung una kong nakita dito is 444. Hindi pala yun. So pinasa ko siya ulit. So yan yung aming babayaran mamayang gabi. Sabi ko kaya di bayaran na namin or else makalimutan na naman namin. So 80 pounds siya mamaya. Hindi naman to sa amin lang, sa lahat ganito talaga yung inaano ng council. So ganito pala, no, pag hindi ka daw makakabayad, grabe yung fine, 1,000 pounds pag hindi mo talaga siya binayaran. Like totally in-ignore mo talaga siya ba. Diyan lang yan. So, ano nga bang gagawin ko? Punta muna ako sa Morrison pero hindi na ako mag-vlog kasi nagmamadali na ako. Hapon na. Si Kira mamaya pa yun uwi kasi Wednesday ngayon. So, meron pa siyang ang tawag nito, mayroon siyang school club today. Meron silang charity walk. Actually, si Kira sumali siya. So, sumali siya sa charity walk. Binigyan siya ng kanyang auntie ng 12 pounds. Binigyan siya ng lola niya ng 10 pounds. Binigyan din namin siya. So, happy yun siya kasi nga makakasali siya. Wala, kailangan kong dalhin yung pera ni Kira mamaya. So yeah, I'll see you nang later guys. Okay?
We're gonna go back to back and I flip over my mum. So no, let's just show them. So guys, we put our hands like that and we put them together like we're gonna hold hands.
3.
My mum will lean back. 3, 2, 1, go. And then I will and don't do don't do what my mum just did. I'll show you again. So guys, now come near so we can show them how we put our arms. So we do back to back, then put your arms out like this. Then we can lock it. No, we're moving back. Mummy, we're doing this properly now. No! Mummy. So guys, no, Mummy, stand up. No, stand up. No, Mummy.
1.
So put your arms apart. No, move backwards.
Nandito na namin kami kila
Mummy,
English school.
English.
I said I'm here at Grants again.
3,
2, 1, go.
Okay. Did that tell you? Hi guys, so welcome back to our channel. So today I'm doing an aerial. I can do an aerial kind of, but sometimes I just put my hands down because I'm too scared to do it.
Magpalit yan si Kira ng
Guys,
shoes kay
sometimes I do an aerial without my hand, but sometimes before I land I'll go like that because I'm too scared.
aalisin siya
Basically,
soon.
an aerial is a car
May
ride
club yan
without
siya
your
soon.
hands. So let's get to it.
Yan yung brownies niya, oh, brownies club.
Okay, Mummy?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Try again, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Guys, I'll show you my handstands because I can't do an aerial yet. Well, I can do an aerial. I did that at school, but I just can't remember it. One more time, guys. Sometimes I just don't get it correct.
That's enough now.
Bye guys, I'm gonna film from my channel, Kira's channel, aka Mummy's Dinny's Diary. So go check that out when I go film. Bye. This is my first video on my daily vlog. So I'm getting ready to go to my club, Brownies, and we're doing a sponsored walk for charities, and £36 for the charity. So let's get to it. I think I'm going to start off with a handstand. You might not be able to see my face. Filming. My grand just started already talking too. So I'm gonna do a handstand first of all. I don't know how long I held that. I'll do a split handstand, guys. And suddenly kick them. I'll do normal handstand again. Guys, I'm going to show you how to do a contortion handstand. So, a contortion handstand is where you're in a handstand, but your feet go to touch your head, like this. And they go round like that. So, I'll show you how I do it. That's basically what you're aiming for. Filming. My granddad asked, and my granddad asked who he was talking to. And then I said filming. Then he said, I'm at my grand's house. This is my favourite place to do quads. As you know, in my description, I said I'm a Therian and I'm a wolf. So let's get to this. So first of all, you don't try to do a handstand. You don't have to hold it that long. But what's good to help you hold is put your hands out and grip onto the grass or wherever you're doing it. So like you can like grip on to where you're doing and it stays in place. Next of all, you're going to need to like just don't like count because it's just gonna make you like stress more, so you'll fall more even often. So let's try. So, handstand. Okay. Step 2. You're gonna bring one leg up into the splits. Splits. So just do the front leg, then we can work on the back leg. So this is the front one. So guys, my left leg is going to be the one I'm working on now. I did the right leg, sorry. So that's going to go over. Sorry guys, I fell. That's going to go as far as you can go. My mum might walk past where she's doing the flowers. So, yeah. Got it in my hand. Let's see how oily my head is. That's how oily my head is. It's not that oily. Be back in my next video. Bye.
I love my family. Oh, yes, I do. They make me smile.